Hello, and in this video you will see the Philips toaster in detail. The toaster costs around 42 Singapore dollars. Besides making toast, you can warm up bread rolls and buns with the toaster. It also comes with a removable top cover. Let's unbox the Philips toaster. At first glance, the Philips toaster feels reasonably well made. It isn't too heavy to move around the kitchen or to other rooms in the house as shown. The base is stabilized with rubber feet so the toaster won't slide during use. Let's toast a multi-grain bread from a supermarket. This is the result. Let's warm up a croissant using the rack. Enough heat is transferred to make the bottom of the croissant hot to the touch. The top of the croissant is however cooler. So you may want to flip the bread for another round of heating. Especially if you took it out from the fridge. The breadcrumbs tray do the job of collecting crumbs. The bottom still has some gaps, from where crumbs may fall out if you move or tilt the toaster. Not all the crumbs fall onto the collecting tray. So some crumbs may become stuck to the internals.